Virtual reality or VR is a simulated, 360-degree, 3D environment that lets users explore and interact with scenes and objects that are designed to appear real. It is an immersive experience that is rapidly capturing the households and businesses of today. VR technology is being used in medicine, entertainment, gaming, education, architecture, real estate, and more. With its growing applications, VR development has become a sought-after skill that can take one's career to the next dimension. The Certified Virtual Reality Developer is a certification course designed by industry experts that aims to expose you to end-to-end VR development in a beginner-friendly manner. The Certified Virtual Reality Developer certification course covers VR fundamentals, creation using VR tools like Unity, introduction to C#, integrating VR hardware like Oculus, hands-on VR and metaverse game development, creating avatars in motion, creating your own virtual store in the metaverse, basics of WebXR and integrating virtual worlds with blockchain technology. The global virtual reality market is projected to reach $20.9 billion by 2028, with a CAGR of 29.5%. This can potentially impact up to 23 million jobs by 2030. Last year, roughly 10 million AR and VR devices were shipped worldwide, with a forecast of 14.2 million units in the current year. 47% of VR AR usage is in the social media content domain, followed by video games, 40%, live streaming, 32%, film and entertainment, 31%, advertising, 28%, and music, 28%. Certifications offered at Blockchain Council are recognized globally. With the growth of the VR industry, the requirement for skilled VR professionals is also on the rise. The Certified Virtual Reality Developer certification will not only help you in upskilling yourself, but also act as proof of knowledge to enhance your career prospects. In addition to lifetime access to the course and certification, you will also have 24/7 access to our expert support team, ready to assist with any doubts or queries. Don't wait any longer to take your career to the next level. Enroll today and become a certified virtual reality developer. The course is divided into modules. The module-wise training will be followed by a 1-hour exam. The exam will contain 45 questions and you have to pass the minimum threshold to receive the certification. The course is structured in the following way. After the introduction, we have Module 2, Basics of 3D, VR and the Metaverse. The second module of this course serves to provide you with a basic understanding of 3D, VR and the Metaverse. We will be covering what is VR, what is Metaverse, integration of VR into Metaverse and basics of game development. Next is Module 3, Getting Started with Unity 3D Engine. In this module, we will cover Unity 3D Engine, basics of C#, installing of Unity 3D Engine via launcher, detailed study of multiple templates, and creating project and user interface overview. Once we are done with this, we will move on to Module 4, Creating First Level in Unity, which will contain all about levels, common tools used in Unity 3D Engine, all about the content browser, customizing Unity 3D Engine editor, importing, exporting and migrating from the Unity 3D Engine, and introduction to Scene. Next, we will cover Module 5, VR Development Basics with Oculus integration. In this module, we will explore setting up a VR project, introduction to section, configuring or optimizing the project for Oculus Quest 2 build, installing APK files to Oculus Quest and Quest 2, installing Unity and creating the first Oculus Quest project, importing Oculus integration in game assets, building your first Oculus Quest Unity project, deploying Oculus VR project, importing XR Interaction Toolkit, Oculus Link and OpenXR Setup, XR Rig Setup, VR hand animations and action-based input, adding local VR player and movement with joystick and Oculus Local Avatar, Oculus Local Avatar, basic teleportation, OVR camera rig, basic Unity scene setup for Oculus Quest, grabbing objects, distance grabbing, UI interaction in VR, and in-game debug console for Oculus Quest. After this, we will have a look at Module 6, Locomotion in a Virtual World. It will include introduction to locomotion, continuous movement, and teleportation. In Module 7, we will explore creating avatars for a VR world. The following will be discussed. Avatars, importing avatars into the project and Ready Player Me SDK. In Module 8, we will explore hand tracking basics with Interaction SDK. In this module, we will get into introduction and creating project, setting up basic grabbing, direct touch and UI interaction and 3D button interaction and hand pose tracking. In Module 9, we will explore Sword and Pistol VR game. In this module, we will go through Introduction to Sword and Pistol game, importing game assets, VR pushable button basics, configuring the project for Oculus Quest build, scene loading in VR and compositor layers, gun or sword. Random cube spawning. VR shooting with pistol. VR slice part 1. VR slice part 2. VR slice part 3. Adding controller vibration, score manager and implementing sound effects, polishing and your first assignment. In Module 10, we will explore Metaverse gaming implementation. In this module, we will further look into understanding Metaverse, developing Metaverse game using Web3 and Metaverse platforms. In Module 11, we will explore the Metaverse e-commerce experience. We will look into setting up a Unity project for WebXR, controllers and input system, in Editor VR playback for rapid testing and publishing. In Module 12, we will explore blockchain integration. We will look into blockchain overview, history of blockchain, need of decentralization in MV, smart contract capabilities in blockchain, blockchain in metaverse, understanding tokens, understanding the NFT token standards, NFTs in MV, cryptocurrency in MV, NFT and types of NFTs, NFT development and using hardhat, NFT contract deployment using testnet, IPFS, Pinata and minting NFT deployment on MetaMask, NFT Marketplace. Overview OpenSea and Rarible, storage in Metaverse, IPFS, BitTorrent, Filecoin and Arweave. Storage in Metaverse, IPFS installation and setup, storage in Metaverse, Web3 storage. Storage in Metaverse, Solidity. Storage in Metaverse, Rust. Metaverse working, Ethereum. Metaverse working, Polkadot. Metaverse working, NFT, ERC721 and ERC1155. Metaverse working, Decentraland Builder. Bonus project, creating NFT in MV. Interoperability in Metaverse. Crypto bridges. Real estate in Metaverse and decentralized deals. Decentralization in the space. Censorship resistance and creating DAOs. For any queries, please visit community.blockchain-council.org. And you can also email us at hello@blockchain-council.org. Thank you.